Yeah, some water for going our place now. Now come in. Welcome back to another outdoor cooking adventure. You don't know with the Anshabas farm once more again, and we're cooking some Bulgur porridge. Yes, look at the pot. Here we already have some cinnamon leaves inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the additional ingredients inside.
Take your time. Man, we're there on the adventure now. I go through one forest.
Getting some stone to make up the fire. Same thing you come out for the sea. Just need one more and now, Shabba. We are clear the area too. Get one more stone. That is it. Right, that's how you make up the fire. Shower stand, I come in with some crang and some wood for the fire. Yeah. That is it. Fire ready for light up now. See my shit rather. Alright, so we have one coconut here. You know, this morning we wake up and see the coconut outside. So I say, we definitely got to use this today. So I chop it out. So I go and feed. Rather to you press outside. Yeah man, like up the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribe to the channel. Yeah man. This is all left one man. But to work. Rather brass. Yeah but not dry. Outside in nature. Let's go another. Look like him good. A good coconut. Yeah man. Big one too, you know. A big coconut this man. Yeah, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, ox out to coconut, this is how you do it. Come with the powerful on them. That is it man, ready to go. Work on the fire now. You don't name no George man, you name Shabba style. Shabba style is I gonna keep the fire blazing high.
Yeah.
This is how you do it.
Yeah, we use one make a final start you know.
Okay. Get in the finals them. Brother, go and get the area clear. Yeah man, get where somebody trash them. Me not hold it. Me can't hold it. Me can't hold it. You never know the art of it.
You done, man.
You done. I'm a top boy done though. Look there. Yes, him a waist it, you know. Yes.
People, you go at what up while. People, you go at what up while.
Good to go. Come on. Get the coconut them hooks up. Shabba over here. Get the fire lighted, you know. Yeah man, fire blazing, you know. Shabba work on the fire.
Put that in there.
Get the coconut them hooks up. You hear me say me pick nothing. You hear me say I wait my way can't see it.
Say
Like
just
a miracle.
You don't boom.
No coconut tree in my yard, man.
Just appear up, so. Right.
Coconut tree in my yard, man. So more time we wake up, we all see one coconut at home.
People that will say coconut just appear up, so. Because God send the coconut.
Yeah, then God send the coconut.
Yeah, so we know say God real, people.
Yeah, God real, definitely. I not just show that. God real. Wash off the coconut them now, you know. One more time again for the other two first. Yeah. Alright, so you know we got cinnamon leaves right here. Bulgur. Yeah. Vanilla there. Rose water. Salt. Time to grate the coconut now. Grate the coconut, them a grate here now. Yeah, man. Outside. Rather to the frost, grating up the coconuts. That is it, viewers and subscribers. Do remember, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. You have something to say?
Fully auto, man.
We're not soft like grotto. That is it. Like if I blaze up, you know.
Active.
Active. Yes, it. Fire ready to go, you know. So go and make it ketchup proper and then we'll put it on the pot. Stay tuned.
Wait, coconut.
Yeah. Banana and planting on the farm. See? So I'm looking good so far. It's almost finished.
Almost. Land the boat.
That's the way we are there, and you look in the boat.
Ah,
You look at a big circle of away.
yeah.
Yeah, man, I see side with them, man. Circle of water.
Circle of water.
Yeah. Now they're not putting them out. Sun. Wash up on.
But I don't see if you water in our shower. Still, I don't see if you water in.
Like they drop with their water.
So you have to do it, you know? Like a lake. Yeah. The water for going our place, you know. Shower, come in, no? Right. Big coconut milk, you know. Ready, eh? To all viewers and subscribers right about now, big up yourself. Thanks for watching this video. Lot of love and respect every time. Let's come down. Yeah. Shower go for his trainer for me, please. Like that. Which like here, you know, that's up. I get the milk in my pot now. Coconut milk rich. No, the porridge was outside, you know. Bulgur. What your name? Bulgur? Bulgur porridge. Big up all viewers and subscribers right about now. Don't know. Heart and love and respect. Big up on yourself. new 2025. Yeah, man,
Love is a good year, you know.
yeah, man. Been a say love and we are continue to say love. Yeah, man.
And unity.
See that? Blazing up there now.
One thing you know, short of sticks to put up.
The coconuts up them there.
Good.
Boom! Alrighty. The Bulgar in the pot already. You know what going on with the recording. But Bulgar in there now, so big up yourself. That's right, that's it, plan the planting. Oh, because plant no like on that tree or nothing, you know.
Yeah, man, good man, then I go cut them. All them 5 years I cut them.
You just have to set it right yourself, you know. See, see the plant that.
It's the plant like coke head.
Yeah. See, you want to bust there? Shabba go to work. I lost the Sunday right there, so because you see the right out there, so you see there, you know?
Not cover him up too much neither.
No, I cover him up too much. Rotten man, them the rotten man, Shabba. Yeah, set the ass set them.
Yeah.
And then bust up your just mold them. How are that? Oh, stone. That's having stone, man.
See 2 years them pan it. Them I go catch.
Windward?
Yeah.
Walk you with a stick, you know. Set it, you know. Plant. That is it. Stay tuned. Yeah, look some good feed. Yeah, man. What is your name?
Everybody call me Burlington.
Burlington. Okay.
Windward, right? My right name that.
Alright, so this is Windward,
Yeah.
Burlington. Yeah, boy, they better get some grass to feed them goat. Yeah, man, so get some goat feeding. Them grass, them grass, what kind of grass, man? We call them grass. You don't know what your name? Oh, we just know say them are mostly up on riverside. Yeah, them are mostly up on riverside and close to the sea, because we're close to the sea. Oh, yeah. Shabba said they name Mark Grass.
Shabba might know me, yes.
Yes, Shabba white more boy, yeah. GV wheelbarrow, yeah. Load it up, you know. Honest living. That is it, man. So yeah, just stay tuned. Don't move a muscle. What over here, so you know. After bubbly, you know. That's how I go on the Bulgar cook. I come in with the flour. Yeah, cause we realize whenever we have no flour, we do so. Just run out the shop and get flour.
2 pounds of flour,
2 pounds of flour.
They
So.
can do an hour.
But on a whole 2 pounds we have put in there still. Yeah. Flour that. Get in some cinnamon. Get cherry. Wash them off. Wash them off, no? One time outside. One on the pot. The Bulgar they look like he cooking up. Bulgar. Nutritious part, dry cooking up. Very nutritious. Check it. So I go ahead and add in the additional ingredients. Add in the salt. I get in some nutmeg. Come closer with the camera. Yeah, nutmeg. So I'm gonna break it right here. Yeah. So I break the nutmeg, get it out the shell, and I have this big grater here. Normally I use a small grater, but big grater we have. So I get in some nutmeg. Better to use a smaller grater. I don't know. Big grater we have because I to use grater the coconut. So after that, go ahead. This is vanilla. Shake it up. I get in some vanilla. Like that one. Rose water and almond. Yeah, rose water and almond. I'm going with this is a bit strong enough, so I'm just gonna get 2 cards. One lot. Two. So I'm gonna get in a little salt because them say salt bring out the flavor. So get the little salt in it. That's good enough. Go ahead now. Mix everything. Yeah, and then now I'm going with the flour. Shabba, get the flour. Now mix up the flour. Get it to the pot. Mix out the flour. Calabash cup, yeah. Is it that good, Shabba?
Yeah.
Yeah, Shabba. Yeah, man, you know, it's an active cook. Because that's why we asked him.
Burley no more, man. No burley from the same way we come up with.
Alright, so we mix out the flour. Bring the strainer come to me, Shabba. Alright, see? I get in the flour. I'm going to use. Alright, Shabba. I put in the flour. Flour that gone in, you know? You want lumps, so do the strainer for this lumps. Put it in, you know? Aroma coming from this. Let this go and boil and now cover it up, let it stay for about 2 to 3 minutes and then you're going to sweeten the porridge. And go away, so pick up yourself. Alright, G, get the feed and I go out, you know. Alright, so we are get the pot off the fire now. Yeah, iron man.
Nah, use no hand to me, watch out.
Put in a center top.
You don't remember iron man. Don't do that at home.
Don't do that at home.
Alright, so I sweeten up here now. Get the sugar over this, Shabba. So we are sweetening porridge now. Very nutritious porridge outside in our farm today. Big up to all beautiful viewers and subscribers. You don't know anything come down. Alright, so sugar. Sweeten it up. Left one the best and I do it. Left one the best and I do. Left one that me have around me, you know. Shabba him left one. Left one the views too.
Never tell people a secret. You better try keep it.
You know what matter home. You know what kind of secret you have, you know. Put in a little more sugar. We will see it. We put more in there for one more. But as far as I can see, one little more.
Look at it.
Yeah.
And the salt.
You want more salt?
Look at it, just look at it. Chill a bit. I salt this down.
Yeah, man, I salt that, yeah. Yeah. Dish them out there now, rather. That look like you. No one there, me. Let's go. Let's do this. Remember, if you don't like the video as yet, hit the like button. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you all subscribe. So the porridge ready if you go in our belly. Yeah, cover it up back there. That is it. So you're going to give thanks for the whole blessed food right now.
Almighty Father, who art in heaven, or be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. While we are here, me, Dalvin, and Shabba, we are blessing the food, and we bless for health and strength and long life, and blessing the people that watching us, and bless each and everyone, family member, everybody. So while we going out and coming in, God and protect us forever and ever. Amen.
Shabba.
Big up yourself, you know. I know so we always do doing the work.
Yeah.
And we found doing the work, so You know, so I do it for me. And you have to tell. Big bad Amani porridge. Go funny.
Where's your money? Where's your money? It is Bulgur Porridge, yeah?
Bulgar. Real coconut juice.
Yeah, man, the spoon there in my bag.
Real coconut juice.
Yeah,
Big up.
that is it. So, for me, I rather one left on the table there now. I'll grab my one.
Bad man.
The active, don't say it, but it active. It a go on, it a shot.
Yeah, man, that's the one.
Yeah.
But I'm on mind some people there. They are what we write and we'll get some of this to eat.
That we are talking about, man. Rather to be frost, drop your shots. Yeah.
Blessing each and every day. Health and strength and long life. I'm to me now and my wife. I'm gonna eat my Bulgur porridge.
Yeah, Bulgur Porridge.
You make your blood.
Shabba find a little spot for stoop, dog.
Yeah, man. Drink up me, I mean, you know.
How many you want, man? How many they put in mind, so?
Bulgar, you know see? Bulgar porridge, you know see?
Yeah.
Bulgur. You know we know Bulgur.
You can eat with the coconut juice. Wow.
Alright, so y'all just stay tuned to move a muscle. Yow! Alright. I'm say Bulgur Porridge.
Right, yes.
Hot. Yes, good man. Active. You know? Outside in nature today. Yeah, man said. Go and subscribe to the channel. That is it.
That's all I porridge, darling. The one way you see, but they put them on plate.
Just give me that, man.
Yeah, so give me that.
Special wagwan, no? I add more sugar. Big up on yourself. It's fresh, man. Yeah.
Well,
Empty plate.
well. I just somebody that say, this you enough, huh?
Actually, so Shabba finish off him on there. Yeah, I do look correct, you know.
I'm planting for a little plant.
Yeah, I'm planning for a little plant. Okay, you see that? Yeah, man. That is it, viewers and subscribers. Do remember, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, do the right thing and subscribe. Beautiful calabash. Yeah. So I go on. That go on like calabash, you know, some Bulgur porridge. I just drink up. Yeah. Almost finished. Yeah, man. So remember, if you want one of these to purchase, you just link up and you get one for yourself to purchase. Yeah. So you go down in nature. Style, I never know say you have pick up here, man. Shabba get into a plant and sucker. Yeah, man, you have him pick it up here.
Yeah, man.
What you say?
Put up now, plan. You should have played with another.
Mix them up. Nothing wrong with that. A small scale farming, you know. Yes, the Shabba get in the first one there. That is suckers. Next one. I'll drop the next one, you know. Right, another hole. See that? That is how we do it. Shower style outside.
One more water.
No man, no, you know, have one whole right or so too. One that small like cocoa.
Then I be the biggest bunch of plant.
You say them they be the biggest bunch of planting? Just get the thing them pack up. We go wash them off. Just clear up the area now. Clean up one thing and thing. Wash up okay, calabash them and everything. That is it. Just wanna say Happy New Year to everyone that is watching this video. Enough respect. Every time you don't know the thing come down, continue to support us. Also, big respect to Zat Entertainment. Big up Zat Entertainment. You don't know sponsor for today's video. Big up yourself, Zat Entertainment. You know, so Zat Entertainment is a non-profit organization. They do kids treat. Next clip, we're going to see what Zat Entertainment is all about. So, yeah, man. So, enough respect to Zat Entertainment.